Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on system, let's tap on manage apps, the second option. And now 3 dots again in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.